So here's some really nice letters we just cut on the old ShopSabre that's for sale. And when I originally listed that machine, I didn't really believe in it because it had a good bit of slop. It had play in the x-axis where the ball screw was sliding back and forth, and that of course means bad cuts and over time more wear on the machine and whatever. Well, we finally got around to getting that out, so now there is none of that backlash with that screw going back and forth, and things are nice and tight, and I'm really happy with the cut. So whoever buys the ShopSabre now is going to get a machine that is worth well more than what it's listed for, because it can make someone some serious money. Channel letter faces, channel letter backs, acrylic parts, wood signs, like all sorts of different things. But I don't know how well you can see in this video, but that's a pretty nice smooth cut, and that's despite the fact that I only had a couple of screws holding a small piece of acrylic down, and it was vibrating like crazy. Had to hold it down by hand, which I don't recommend anyone do. It's dangerous, and you never saw me do it, and you can't prove anything. But yeah, even better with some sort of hold down system or whatever, vacuum or T-slots. But or cutting from a full sheet, that really wouldn't happen too much, you know, because the integral, you know, nature of the sheet keeps things held down. But I was like a 10-inch by 20-inch little piece of scrap plexiglass. I was just testing the machine out. But I am very happy with it, and whoever buys that machine is gonna have a nice cutting machine. I'll get some close-ups of these edges here in just a second. Now you will see, at least, you know, in the video and in these two parts here, I haven't sanded these little nits that are there. That's simply because I wasn't holding the part down well enough. That is nothing to do with the machine itself, and everything to do with the operator. All right, hope that helps. So here are the letters we just cut with the ShopSabre. If I can get a good focus on it. So nice smooth cuts, and Yeah, that machine is gonna make somebody some money, especially compared to the low price tag. So they have a pretty nice edge quality. Especially considering the parts were vibrating like crazy and all of that. But yeah, that's not bad at all.